What's up, guys? Welcome to Resale Life episode 4, 3, something like that. Remember, in this series, we are on a journey to turn this reselling side hustle into a full 6-figure business. If you guys want to come along the journey, be sure to like, be sure to comment, be sure to subscribe to the channel. In this episode, we are shattering our record for the number of sales that we set the other day, and last episode for our high sales record. This time, over 125 sales in a single weekend. You guys are going to see all of that in this episode. We're going to go drop off all those packages right now, so let's get to it. All right, we got the bigger cart this time, everybody. They gave us the big cart today. Here we go. You guys got all of our packages boxed up. These are all the UPS orders for the day. And just in these packages alone, we've got well over $1,000. These are 2 horse inflatables that I'm not gonna show you guys unless you're in Juiced. Then you guys know where it's posted. These are moving for $200 and they're only $80 to pick up in store. All of these are other Christmas items that we are selling. Once again, if you're in Juiced, you know what they are. And if you're not in Juiced, then you need to be, because we're flipping these $25 items for $97 all day long, every single day. So if you guys wanna know a little bit more about these products, you know what to do. You gotta join Juiced. See you there. There we go, everybody. Full back seat. Let's head out. All right, guys, today is Thursday, December 8th, and it is time for us to head out on a little bit of a sourcing trip. So we dropped off all of our packages earlier, and now we're gonna get in the car, head out, and let's go see what we can find. Leaving Ross right now, and that was an absolutely insane cookout. If you guys aren't in Juice, though, you missed it, because it's already over with by the time that this video comes out. Let me show you guys what we just got really fast. So it's a 3-pack of Nike socks right here, and it's on sale at Ross for $5.99. Sale right now at Ross for $5.99 for this 3-pack of Nike socks. We got a bunch of them. I think we got like 11 or 12 pairs. And let me show you guys something. I went ahead and listed them up while I was inside, and we actually already made a sale. If you guys can see that, we made a sale for $29.99. So boom, almost paid for like a third of the entire session tonight with that one sale. So if you guys aren't in Juiced, you guys are missing a lot of good flips, because I'm calling this stuff out every single day. So if you guys want to join up, link down in the description. Be sure to join and be sure to get these cooks, guys, because this is easy money. You just got to put in a little work. What's up, guys? It's Soul State, and today is Friday, December 9th or something. I don't know. We are heading out. We've got about a 45-minute drive ahead of us. We've got to go to a Target and pick up a couple of the little Mama Surprise guinea pig sets that we've got reserved for us. Got to go to Walmart, and then we got to go to Ross to look for some more Nike socks. If you recall yesterday's footage, I got 11 pairs of those Nike socks. I literally sold all of them in a matter of about an hour and a half. We made about $320 profit yesterday just off those socks. So we're going to go to another Ross, try to find some more. Let's get on the road. Let's hit it. May sound like an odd thing to say, but let's see if we can go find more socks. I think I've only been to this Ross like twice, so I'm kind of excited to see what they got in here. So let's go inside and see if we can find any of those Nike socks that we're looking for. Big money on those. All right, we've got our shopping list. We've got our shopping cart. Let's go shopping. All right, guys, today is Thursday, so you know what that means. Another bin drop day. I'm actually off work today, so we can get there at open. So let's make the drive. Let's go look at these bins, and let's find some profitable items. Let's get it. All right, guys, we actually just finished up a bin drop. Before we run over to Ross, there actually is one item that I do want to go ahead and open and see if it's in there, because if it is, I think it is a huge, huge come up. So they have this in there today. It's a screen protector for your screen for a Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. You can't open any of the things, so I have gotten many empty boxes before. So let's give it a check and see if there's actually anything in here or not. Whoa, it looks like it's actually in here. Yeah, it's actually in here. That's gonna be a good flip right there. Screen protector for a Tesla. I didn't even look this one up, but I'll throw a comp on the screen right now and we'll see how it works. But a lot of good stuff in here, guys. But let's head over to Ross and see what they have in there. All right, so we are heading off to drop off packages now. This is the first recording with the GoPro. This is the first recording with the GoPro too, so kind of cool. Let's see how it works. Sales, the Christmas sales have started. You guys know we had no trouble moving these inflatables for over $35 a piece, and they're on sale for half price right now, so we're gonna go ahead and start loading up. this product was my #1 product over the month of December, and honestly over the entire year of 2022, and I just posted it in the Juiced Discord. Now, if you guys aren't in Juiced, then you have no idea what the product is, and you're not going to be able to capitalize off of it. If you guys want to join Juiced, if you want to see what my #1 product of 2022 was, join Juiced, link in the description. I promise you, if you guys can find this product in stores, which you should be able to all across the country, you will make a ton of profit just off this one single item that was honestly my best item of the year. So join Juiced, link down in the description, and go look for this item because it's not going to be in stores for very much longer.